occasion of Raksha Bandhan. Traditionally, this day honors the bond between a sister and her brother, where a simple thread becomes a powerful symbol of love, protection, and lifelong commitment. But this year, our celebration holds even greater significance. We are deeply privileged and humbled to welcome the true guardians of our freedom, our brave and honorable army officers who have selflessly dedicated their lives to safeguarding every citizen of this nation. On this occasion, I'm reminded of the wise words often spoken by a respected principal. Schools are not run by rules, but by their rituals and traditions. And indeed, today stands as a shining example. By tying Rakhis to our army brothers, we are not only honoring tradition, we are celebrating courage, expressing heartfelt gratitude, and embracing the spirit of unity and respect that defines our nation.
On behalf of our revered principal, dedicated faculty, and the entire student body, I, Palak Sharma, school captain,
and I, Swara Pathania, senior prefect
of General V.C. Joshi Army Public School, Pithoragarh, extend our warmest and the most respectful welcome to our Honorable Chairman, Brigadier Gautam Pathania, Commander 119 Independent Infantry Brigade Group. And we have our special guest, Mrs. Shweta Pathania, Senior Director, Family Welfare Organization, and all the distinguished officers and dignitaries gracing us with their esteemed presence today. Let us express our appreciation with a resounding round of applause. And now, to commence this joyous celebration, we invite you to enjoy a melodious welcome song presented by our talented students. Let us welcome the choir with a big hand. We respectfully invite the guest of honor, Mrs. Shweta Pathania, the Honorable Chairman, Brigadier Gautam Pathania, along with the esteemed dignitaries, to kindly step forward and participate in this heartfelt gesture.
Today we are not just commemorating Raksha Bandhan, we are celebrating heroism, sacrifice and unwavering patriotism. And now, to honor this beautiful bond between protectors and those they protect, we present a vibrant cultural dance performance that captures the very soul of Raksha Bandhan. Let's give it up for our performers.
मेरी बहना ओ मेरी बहना दीवानी है मेरी बहना दीवानी है पर वो समझती है सबसे वो सयानी है
मेरा प्रिया दीवाना है पर वो समझता है सबसे
मेरी बहना
मेरा प्रिया रक्षा करे भगवान तुम्हारी रक्षा करे भगवान तुम्हारी तुमसे हर बात हमारी
डर मत बहना बात तो राखी उस रब पे सब छोड़ दे बाकी दुनिया आनी जानी है मेरी बहना दीवानी है पर वो समझती है सबसे वो सयानी है
मेरा प्रिया
ओ मेरी
दोनों बहनें अपने भाई को याद करती हैं और भाई को फोन करती हैं, पर भाई और बहनों के बीच का प्यार बिना मिठास की और शरारत के कहाँ मीठा होता। तो भाई ना आ पाने के बहाना बनाता है और बहनें दुखी हो जाती हैं। तो प्रस्तुत है दृश्य 2। रक्षाबंधन के मनभावन उत्सव पर भाई अचानक घर आ जाता है। दोनों बहनों को आश्चर्यचकित कर देता है। तो प्रस्तुत है दृश्य 3।
सबका कहना है एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है। फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है।
रक्षाबंधन का त्योहार खुशियों से मनाते हैं और एक दूसरे के हाथों पर राखी बांधते हैं। तो प्रस्तुत है दृश्य 4।
हम भाई बहन के इस पवित्र रिश्ते को मनाते हुए ये आशा करते हैं कि सभी भाई जो घर से दूर हैं और जो बहनें उनकी बाट निहारे खड़ी हैं, उन दोनों का ये रिश्ता हमेशा सलामत रहे। धन्यवाद।
वाह, क्या मनमोहक और ऊर्जान्वित करने वाली प्रस्तुति थी। इस नृत्य ने रक्षाबंधन की आत्मा को सजीव कर दिया। एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ हमारे प्रतिभाशाली कलाकारों को सम्मानित करें।
Very well said, Palak. I would like to tell that there was a Rakhi making act held on 2nd August 2025 in our school dedicated to our brave soldiers. As the saying goes in an Indian army, what is adventurous for all is a routine for everyone. They are less ordinary people. Likewise, being a part of the proud Indian Army, General B.C. Joshi Army Public School is one of its kind institution and the only school bearing the name of the General Officer as prefix. So, our acts are also less ordinary. Now going on with the same rituals and traditions of our school, here we give a glimpse of the Rakhi making activity right from its inception to its delivery. And here we go. This year, as part of the Raksha Bandhan celebration, the students of our school came together for a noble initiative. They handcrafted and sent over 700 Rakhis to soldiers serving at the nation's borders. Each Rakhi, woven with love and care, was more than a thread. It was a token of hope, honor, and heartfelt connection. Through this small but meaningful gesture, the students expressed their immense respect and admiration for our brave soldiers. Even though our protectors are far from home, these Rakhis carried a message. You are never alone. We are always thinking of you. Through this initiative, our students didn't just celebrate a festival, they embodied the values of a service, patriotism, and the true essence of Raksha Bandhan, a bond that transcends distance and touches heart.
What a powerful and moving presentation that was. A celebration not only of art, but of empathy and emotion. As we now approach to the conclusion of our event, it is only fitting that we take a moment to express our profound gratitude to our visionary leader under whose guidance our school continues to grow and thrive. We are truly honored to have Brigadier Gautam Pathania as our chairman, a leader who believes in empowering education through innovation and infrastructure. Under his leadership, we have been witnessing remarkable improvements in the infrastructure and the morale of the team of APs. The installation of 450 sets of modern student-friendly furniture in the preparatory and middle wings, vibrant classrooms and corridors, renovation in the preparatory wings, upgraded washroom facilities, and new flooring for better hygiene and comfort. The addition of a dedicated parking shed for our teachers' convenience, the sound system which we are hearing today, and overall spend more than 80 lakhs. A huge round of applause for our chairman. Sir, your unwavering dedication and commitment to the holistic development of this institution inspires us every day. With great honor and deep respect, we now invite our Honorable Chairman, Brigadier Gautam Pathania, to kindly address us with his words of wisdom and blessings. Please welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Thank you all for the lovely event which was organized. It's a holiday as per the civil administration, but then we thought that we get together and we go through these phases together. So God bless all the students who are here, and thank you all so much for showering so much of blessings and love onto us, and thank you for everything. Thanks to all the teachers who are involved in the making of this Rakhi. That was a lovely clip. I would request the AG to take this clip and we utilize this clip, whatever we have to do on the Twitter. So thank you everybody for this lovely event, and what I can say is that we continue to excel, we continue to grow together, and what is required from you all is just the dedication and devotion which is required from the teachers towards the student. And students, you have no choice, you have to just work hard and achieve your goals and achieve your dreams. That is what I can say. So all the best to you all the best to the teachers, and God bless the students, and we shall continue meeting. Thank you.
Now I would request our special guest of the event, Mrs. Shweta Pathania, Senior Director FWO, to kindly come on the dais, and also request Mrs. Sarita Bhatt, CCA Coordinator, kindly honor our special guest with a token of respect and gratitude.
पिछौड़ा और ऐपन कला हमारे कुमाऊनी रिवाज से है, और क्योंकि यह सावन का पावन महीना है, तो हम इसलिए आपको यह भेंट स्वरूप देना चाहते हैं। कृपया इसे स्वीकार करें। हमारे आपका आशीर्वाद हमेशा बना रहे।
We extend our heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Chairman, Brigadier Gautam Pathania, Senior Director FWO, Mrs. Shweta Pathania, and all esteemed guests for taking time out of their demanding schedules to join us today. Your presence has made this Raksha Bandhan truly special, memorable, and meaningful. This was an initiative of Headquarters 119, Independent Infantry Brigade Group, and we are grateful to our Honorable Chairman for giving this honor of celebrating Raksha Bandhan with our Fauji fraternity in his blissful presence. Sir, we would consider ourselves fortunate enough if more such opportunities are entrusted upon us. We assure you that we'll make you feel proud being the chairman of the school with our rich rituals and traditions. Let us pledge today to be conscious citizens, to uphold the values and sacrifices of our protectors, and to always stand united as one nation, one family. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind,